Hi, in this video we'll be talking about string indexing. Strings can be indexed in both directions. We use zero-based indices in the forward direction and -1-based indices in the backward direction. We can print a particular character from the string by using its index in square brackets. So let's define a string. Text equals this is a text. And now first let's print the whole string. Fine. And now let's print the first character, so the character at index 0. Index 0. Fine. Now let's print the fifth character, which is a space. So, fifth character means character at index 4. A space. Now let's print the 15th character, which is a period. So, the 15th character is at index 14. And we get the period. We can check the length of a string using the len function, like so. So this string contains 15 characters, including all the letters, all the spaces, the period, and so on. You can use the len function to get at the last character. The function is used to calculate the length of the string. As the string is zero-based, the index of the first character is 0. The index of the second character is 1, and so on. The index of the last character is 1 less than its length. That's why we must subtract 1 from the length. Have a look. Text with index. The length of text -1. So, the length is 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. So this is the index 14, which is the last element in the string, which is the period. An even faster way to get at the last character is by using a negative index. The index of the last character is -1. Text with index -1, we get the period. We can use other negative indices to count from the end. So for example, text with index -2 is the last but one character. So here, T. Or text with the index -11. It's a space. Or text with the index of -3. It's an X. The index within the brackets may be calculated in any way. So, for example, something like this is possible. Text, and the index is an expression, 2 plus 3. This is just the same as the index 5, and we get I. We can even use quite a complex expression like here. Looks complicated, but actually it's equal to 10. So we get the index 10, which is T. Now, if you try to use an index which is out of range, you'll get an index error. For example, text with the index 50. Index error. String index out of range. The index must be an integer. If you try any other type, you'll get a type error. Let's try a float. Text with index 5.42. Well, it doesn't work. We get a type error. String indices must be integers. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.